quarter, 1 asterisk styling scissors, 1 asterisk oil, 1 asterisk English manual, 1 asterisk cleaning brush. With this hair clipper set comes multiple accessories. The working is simple and easy to use. Hairstyle design for the whole family can be done easily with one machine. Professional salon barber clippers sets. Professional máquinas para cortar cabello with complete accessories, suitable for hairstylists, hairdressing students, image designers, hairdressing knowledge lovers. As a barber, if you can combine your skills combined with this hair and barber kit, your haircutting work will be more comfortable and your haircutting business will flourish. Gifts for him and after sales, matching Makina para cortar pelo packed in exquisite packaging boxes. Boyfriend, husband, dad, why not? YiLFo team launches quality products and provides friendly service. If you have any questions about this two-piece set cordless clippers for men, please contact us in time. Our team will reply to you as soon as possible.
Thank you for watching Gadgets Hunt. Don't forget to subscribe.